Most room addition projects are going to take several months to actually break ground. There's going to be at least 6 weeks and maybe up to 12 weeks of engagement with the engineer or the architect to put on paper exactly the specifications of what you want built for a clear submission to the building department. If it's not done clear, you have to resubmit. So selection of that architect is very important, and we know several good architects that we'd be happy to introduce you to. When it comes to submission into the building department, it goes under a review process, and it tends to be anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to get it through that process and be issued the actual permit. We typically break ground on projects within just a couple of weeks of issuance of the permit, and from that point, it has its various stages. There will be a little stop and go throughout the process as we have to wait and get things inspected before we can move on to the next step. We're also coordinating a large series of different types of trades. It'll start off with digging apart the yard and installing underground plumbing, then moving into concrete with footing and slabs that get termite treatments. It's going to then move into the erection of the walls, whether it's concrete or wood, installation of the trusses, putting in the roof deck. After this is done, we can now start to dry in. That's where we put on the actual roof surface and we put in all the dry in materials, the windows and the doors. Create the secured space before we actually open up the wall that separates the original home from the addition.